I am bold. I am fierce. I am unstoppable.
Yes! Like that! Perfect! Fierce in the face! Yeah, I need you to be more soft. Soften here, like just soften your face, okay? And your eyes. And then soften overall. A little more push. And then just be soft.
Okay, can we just cut? Okay. Thank you.
So, who am I? Born in the Philippines and raised in 6 different countries has really shaped a lot of who I am today. Although I had the profound privilege of being exposed to various cultures, traditions, and beliefs, having to always uproot and start anew never gave me the opportunity to really zone in and challenge myself. I knew deep down that I wanted to do something great to create social change and to advocate for gender equality and woman empowerment. But I didn't know where to start. I never felt like I had the confidence to really push through with all the ideas I had for the world and myself. Feeling this way was actually a blessing in disguise. It's what pushed me to act. Roughly 2 years ago, I moved back home to the Philippines alone to find a new perspective. It was here where I discovered the world of pageants, something I had watched growing up but could never really see myself as. I was scared that I lacked the qualifications of what makes a queen. I was afraid of the potential criticisms I would face as a Muslim Filipino. With little to no experience with modeling, public speaking, or the training that goes into this journey, I created my first long-term goal. I gave myself 8 months to transform into the queen I knew existed within me. Who am I? I'm your Miss Supranational Philippines 2019, and I advocate for gender equality and woman empowerment.